guys. It is 2009. Woo! 2009. Yeah, and I'm gonna be making a lot of cool videos this year. But I have an announcement, you guys. I have an announcement to make. I'm gonna be only making one video per week. One only, not two. And I'm choosing a new upload day, and that day is gonna be Saturday. Because I have so much shit I have to do. Ugh. I haven't even started do stuff but I'm gonna be making better videos. I'm gonna do quality over quantity, because I think when I was doing 2 videos per week, I was just rushing, and I don't like that. But I'm glad you guys like my San Francisco video, even though it's really random, just a bunch of clips of places I went. I didn't even record everything. My main focus was just shopping, as you knew. And I just got over a cold like 2 days ago. And I've had it since like Christmas. And my throat was like... And I still have the little nose thing, but I think it's just because it's cold. It's fucking cold in California. Sorry. Fuck. Shit. I can't say these things on YouTube, can I? I don't know. Well, anyways, have you guys realized, do you guys listen to Beyonce, that new I Am Sasha Fierce album? Did you realize that there's 4 videos for that album already? I gotta sneeze. Give me a Kleenex. Oh, there it came. Oh, jeez. Sorry. I'm like really out of it right now. But yeah, there's 4 videos to that new album. Isn't that off? Like weird? Like already? I think it's only been If I Were a Boy and Single Ladies. There's only the 2 singles that are out, but there's already 4 videos. I mean, I guess they're gonna be the next 2 singles, Diva and Halo. Halo's a really good song. I've been listening to it a lot, and my voice sounds a little deep again. Huh. So, what was I gonna say? So, you guys, for this next video that I'm gonna upload next Saturday, not. Well, wait. Next Saturday. Yeah, next Saturday, not this Saturday. It requires a lot of input from you guys. And the input from you guys is... You know how I've been asking you guys... I'm asking you guys for questions every week. Now you guys get to ask me questions. And it can be, oh, Robert, what's your favorite color? What kind of food you like over another? Or... do you have, I don't know, technology, shit, gadgets? Or it could be anything, like, anything witty, too. Like, I can think of stuff. Any, like, cool questions you can ask me. Nothing outrageous and outlandish that it's gonna be, like, an obvious no. Don't ask me shit like that. Don't. You made me go, I'm not answering that. Why'd you even ask? So just ask something cool, nothing too personal, and I'm gonna answer, and give me at least 3 questions, and for the next Saturday, I'm gonna make a cool ass video, and you guys are gonna like it, and you're gonna learn more stuff about me, so I want you to do that. Ask me some questions, and 1 to 3 questions. And if you're watching this, you better answer the question. Or you better give me a question to answer for my next video. Because I want a lot of input. I have more than 50 viewers now. Woo! Over 50. So, I gotta be making new videos. And you guys are gonna be liking it. I don't know why. You guys, look at all the shiz I have in my room. Like, look. This is me not cleaning up. I still have my stuff from my 51s and oh my gosh, it just goes on and on everywhere. I have a mess. I have towels everywhere, bags and backpacks. Like, I have so much stuff to do, and I start school in a bit. I know, vacation time, but that is what my next video will be, in next Saturday. And I think that's how I'm going to be doing videos from now on. One per week. And if I can't during school, then I'll see. So my next video is going to be you guys asking me questions. And I want you guys to write it in the comment box right now. Do it right now. Comment right now. Comment and put the question that you would want to know about me. 3 questions, please. Nothing outrageous, nothing outlandish. Just something cool and something I'm going to probably answer if you're going to write it. And hopefully you guys get your answer question for the next video. So that is it for you guys. That is it for this video. Because Robert has a lot of things to do for the 2009. So yeah, see you guys later.